Dear connections, as I promised you, I came up with one new video on tooltips, and this video is basically about the resolution of the global issue of tooltip. Like the Power BI developers who are currently working in Power BI projects, they are facing this issue. Like the text box option of Power BI is not working properly. Like if you are searching any column name or any measure name, it is not reflecting there. Okay. To bypass this issue, I invented a process. So by using that process, you can still print the tooltip data correctly. So let me jump into my Power BI to describe it. As you can see, this supply chain management data. In my last video also I explained with this data only, and here, wait a minute, and here the tooltips. Here the tooltips are, yeah. So in page 2, this page 2 is consist of the tooltip which was made by using the text box option of Power BI. Okay, and if I hover on this data, you can see this data. Okay, from page to tooltip it is coming, but let's consider that this text box is not working. Like, let's assume, then in that case what you will do? So let me remove this tooltip, page to tooltip, from here at first. So now no tooltip is there. So in that case what you can do is you can write a manual DAX code using variable return statement and selected value. Okay, I already wrote the DAX query. Let me show you. You can see this DAX measure called tooltip underscore data. Here I wrote down the tooltip data. This from product ID, product name, order status, and customer name. These four are direct normal columns, which are coming from the dataset SCM table. Okay, but this premium customer, this is a DAX measure which I created. See, this is a DAX measure which I created. So I printed it. So as per the syntax, if you declare a variable you have to return. So I return the data like this is a hard coded data like overview data. This is the heading basically. Then I used Unicad to make a like Unicad is nothing but the mm, it is responsible for making gaps or spaces between the lines. Okay, like using I used Unicad. Then in the next line I printed product ID, then product name, then order status, then in the customer name. In the customer name, the dynamic customer name will come and it will change for each of the row. And this is this premium customer. This is basically our this one, our DEX measure. Okay. So after writing this query, you have to click on commit DEX query. Now you need to take a new page and declare this page as a tooltip. After that, here I need to take a card visual. Here text box will not work. We need to take a card visual. In that card visual, take this tooltip data. Okay, it is showing huge. Let me format this. Uh, it in place of 45, it can be 12. Font size will be 12, and this tooltip underscore data. This is annoying. We need to remove it also. Yeah, category level. If you off it, it will remove. Now it is fine. Now I will go to page 1 and attach the tooltip with page 1. I will search tooltip. Wait a minute. Tooltip. Yes. So instead of report page 2, it will be page 3, because in page 3 we wrote our new DAX code. I mean new tooltip using DAX code. Now if you hover on it, see the same data it is printing and the data is correct only. The first product is P004. The product name is product underscore 2 dispatched, and Elizabeth Lopez is not our premium customer. Then let me show you a yes case. See, Angelina Harris is our premium customer. That's why it is showing Y. So all the tooltip data is showing correct value. But there is some cons of this method also. The cons of this method is you can't do that formatting. Like in our previous tooltip using Textbox, you saw that overview data was bold, and if you want you can make the colors also, do the colors also. But in this case, this kind of formatting you can't do. This is a normal text code which you can take in a card visual and attach it using the visual. This you can do. So yeah, that's all about this video. Thank you very much.